I was sent this heavy duty magnet for cat eye gel nail polish. So let's see it in action. Here we go. Right now I have nothing on my nails and I just cut them really short. This plant-based color actually comes with a little magnet and I just want to show you how strong this magnet is. Watch this. It is so strong. When I go to pull it apart, it is like full force. Oh, let's get started. So first we're gonna go ahead and shake the bottle. We're gonna do one layer, cure it for 60 seconds under this lamp. We'll do another layer, cure that for 60 seconds, and then we'll use the magnet. So here we go. We got one coat on. Now for the fun part, we are going to put a second coat on. We're not going to cure it right away. We're going to use our magnet stick and then we cure it once it's in place. So I'm going to do it one at a time and let's see what happens. One coat, no magnet, two coats with the magnet. And I think we're gonna really see the cat eye more in natural light. So I'll go outside to show you the after. All right, here it is outside. Very pretty color. I'm not really seeing the cat eye, and that's probably just user error. I don't think I did it exactly right because it took forever to really dry it. So I think maybe I didn't quite do it the way you were supposed to. Just means I'm gonna have to do it again and get that effect the next time. But still, got a really pretty manicure.